So today is our 15th video update during this COVID pandemic. Happy to be here. We're happy to keep bringing you information and giving you kind of the facts that are on the ground in our hospital and in our community's health. I do want to continue to thank our employees, our community, our physicians for all coming together and helping us get through this together. Thank you for your service. So we see what's going on in the nation just like everyone else. Everyone's seeing the rates go up. We're seeing infection rates go up. We're seeing hospitalizations go up. And we all are concerned about that. We are not immune to that in Sarasota County or Sarasota Memorial. We are definitely seeing our hospitalizations go up over the last several weeks. But we're managing the process. And this is still a safe place to be. And we are doing well, but we want to continue to reinforce. Please wear a mask, please stay socially distanced, and be aware that this is a very serious disease. We continue to encourage our staff to be leaders in the community, set an example for this community about what it takes to get through this pandemic. Wear a mask when you're out, stay socially distanced, stay vigilant, and thank you. We're always concerned about a possibility of a surge. We're always planning for the worst, but hoping for the best. We have plenty of stock for PPE on hand. We've continued to keep ordering and preparing for that. Our staff is ready to take care of this community if that surge comes back. So I think there's probably many reasons that we're seeing increases in infection rates right now. Some of it is because we're moving into the colder months and people are staying inside. Some of it is we have people from the north coming down here. We have a normal migration of our snowbirds that move down here, and we're seeing that again this year. We're also seeing people get a little lax with mask wearing and being out a little bit more. We don't want to discourage people from being out, but we just want you to be safe when you are out. You know, we all enjoy the holiday of Thanksgiving. It's one of my personal favorite holidays. It's going to be a difficult one this year. We're all going to have to make sure that we take care of our families, make sure that we don't become a super spreader, make sure that we practice discipline within our own households. Listen to the CDC guidelines, listen to your leaders that are telling you how to prepare and how to celebrate the holiday. And let's make sure we're all around for more Thanksgivings to come. But we certainly learned a lot about how the disease manifests itself, how it spread, how long it lasts in our systems. And we have a lot more to learn. So, 9 months ago, we didn't know anything about this disease. Today, we know quite a bit. We have new vaccines that are on the way. We have new treatments that if you are sick in the hospital that you can receive. SMH has been at the forefront of a lot of that research, and we believe there's a lot more to come. We hope we've turned a corner on this disease. We really believe that, but we need to stay vigilant. I like to think of myself as always a hopeful person. So I definitely feel like we are on the better side of this COVID pandemic than we were back in March. We certainly know a lot more than we knew back then. We have a vaccine coming out, or multiple vaccines coming out, and I'm very hopeful that we can get back to some level of normalcy in the next few months. I'm very much looking forward to that. I've had the privilege of being at Sarasota Memorial now for around 15 years. I've always had this great amount of pride in this organization and what our capabilities are. During this one, it has just taken it to a whole nother level. The amount of dedication that I've seen in our staff and our physicians, us being able to shift our entire business so quickly to deal with this pandemic is just awe-inspiring, and it's really amazing to me that an organization can do this. If any organization ever could, it would be this one, but I am just so proud to be here. So I keep hearing in the community that people are afraid of the hospital, afraid to come into the hospital. I want to assure you this is one of the safest places that you can be. We take temperatures of everybody who walks in. We mask everyone who is here. It really is a very safe place to be. Please don't delay care. If you have cardiac issues, or if you have some other type of issue that you need to be taken care of, come in and get treated, because you need your treatment going forward. When it comes to heart attacks and strokes, every minute counts. You have got to get in and get treated, and it is vital that that happen. Also continue to come in and get your normal screenings. You don't want to put off things that could turn into bigger problems later. If you need to get a colonoscopy, if you need to get a mammogram, you need to continue to do those things and not put them off. So we're always continuing to look forward to implementing our strategic plan, which is the plan that's developed by our board for the benefit of our entire community. That doesn't take a pause just because we have a pandemic in place. We still need a cancer center to be able to address the needs of people who are diagnosed with cancer. We still need a hospital in Venice to be able to take care of people in the South County, our South County residents. We still need a behavioral health center to advance treatment of behavioral health diseases. We take our role as a community hospital very seriously, and we are always looking forward to push the envelope forward. So we've already started hiring a good number of the positions, the leadership positions for SMH Venice. We're going to continue to post internally and give our employees a chance to apply for positions within the Cancer Center and the Venice location. And then we're going to open it up to external probably at the very first of the year. Thanksgiving is a time where we can all sit back and reflect on things that we're thankful for. This year is probably a difficult year, but I got to tell you, you still look forward. We are very thankful to be where we are. We're in the Suncoast, we're in Sarasota, and for those of us that work here, we're at Sarasota Memorial. I couldn't be more thankful for being where we are, being in the position we are, to be thankful for those first responders that continue to work each and every day, our staff that come in and take care of our patients each and every day. So for all of you who continue to give every day to this community, and for those specifically who are going to take time away from their families to come in and take care of these very sick patients here, we just have a heartfelt thank you to every one of you on our staff that do that. And that goes even beyond the hospital to all those first responders that are out there that do this each and every holiday. Thank you so much.